Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the display section. Then scroll down to the screen record, and here you'll see the resolution section. Now just we can change our resolution from 1080 pixels to 720, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can launch the screen recording settings. So first you should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here we should find the screen recording icon. Just to launch the settings, we should hold for a while this icon, and after that we can also change the quality of our screen recording videos. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.